Wakalofat, Mako, Mafala, sub peeps. I'm here at Edgewater College. I don't know if you can see. But my nephew Dave, Insta famous Dave, he's asked me if I could come and share the Niue culture with him and his class. So the teacher messaged me 2 days ago on Monday, and I said, sweet, all good. So here I am. Not sure, haven't really planned anything. Just gonna go talk about Niue and just read the room. Happy to share the experience. Dave, if you're watching this, whakoelahi. I don't think I'll bring the camera in just because of, I've said that before, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, looking forward. It's a nice sunny day today. Makalili pongi nei. It was cold this morning, but now it's starting to warm up. It's holataha. It's 1 p.m. and I'm just waiting for the teacher to get back. But yeah, okay, see you after. Yep.
Thank you, John, so much for giving our students the opportunity to see Niue culture. They really love the dance and they love learning all about the coconut crab and about famous Niue taro, which is better than Cook Island taro, which is what we heard. And we really love it. We would love to learn some more. And if your nephew can come and teach us some more in the class, would be amazing, because it's really engaging. And we don't get to learn so much about this culture. We learn just a little bit, so just having the opportunity it was amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, cool. All right, Osie Fako, I'm back. That went well. Easy crowd, easy. Good to see David doing well and yeah, sharing his culture with his class. David was awesome. He was like my partner presenting. Good to see. They embraced it well. A lot of them didn't know about Niue and the information. A lot of them didn't know much, even know where it was. Didn't even know it was a country. So it's good to just spread the word, share the knowledge. Yeah. Thank you, Edgewater. Thank you to Natalia for allowing me to come and share our culture. Whiwhilahi o, whakoelahi. Thank you, and thank you to the other teachers, and thank you to the classroom. Haia, kia manuina, tōwhilaia. Boa!